Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix your charging problem in your iPhone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. So friends, you can see here it is type C charging port. You have to just place into this, and you can see friends it is not charging the iPhone. So how you can fix it? So friends, first you have to go to the settings, and then you can see here it is in the battery. First allow battery percentage and disable low power saving mode. First you have to check your battery health if it is good or not. Here it is battery health is normal and maximum capacity is 100%. And you can see the last charge. Click on charging. You have to click on optimize battery charging, and when the charge limit is set to 100%, allow iPhone to wait finish charging past 80% until the time you need to use it. Friends, then you have to press back, and then you have to just restart your device. You can check your this type C port if you have it is broken, or sometime dust is inside that. You have to clean it. Then you have to should check your cable also if it is broken or not. You have to check your adapter too with your another smartphone if it is working or not. And then if it is not working in your iPhone, then you have to go to your nearby service center for that, and they will fix your charging problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.